Hi, welcome to the Minnesota Department of Health Quick Start Guide for Source Water Protection Grants in the new Fluxx portal. So I'm going to quickly go to the Apply for Funding on the left-hand side. You can see that the three different types of grants are here. I'm going to choose a competitive grant to show you. And here's our information about our organization. And if you want to go to something farther down the application, these are hyperlinks to get there faster. Please verify your organization information. You can put in who is the sanitarian, engineer planner, MRWA staff, delegated authority staff who might have helped you. And then we get started with the questions. And questions that are in bold are required. I am not going to fill all these out for you. Please note they are drop downs. Just to make this as quick of a quick start guide as possible. Here's your project summary. This is similar to the paper application if you are familiar with that. So maybe we'll say drill a new well, seal the old well, and say no for this. We're not under any sort of violations. No, we're not completing an item in the sanitary survey. And then to do work items, you click this green plus sign in the little circle, and then you choose a work item type. And likely for competitive and transient applications, you'll use either common activities or the sanitary survey. I'm going to do common activities, and we're going to drill a new well for our first work item. Fill that out. Well, it's a continuation. No. Will you be sealing a well? Not for this work item, but for the next one. Is it located in the DWISMA? Say yes. What's the vulnerability? If you need to find that, you can use these hyperlinks to find the vulnerability, or you can ask MDH or MRWA staff. And that's the same place. You can also find the DWISMA ID. We're going to say this will provide safer drinking water to residents. And the estimated total cost of the work item, we're going to say it's going to cost $18,000 to construct this well. And since it's a competitive grant, we have to have a one-to-one cost share. So we're going to say $9,000 is what we're actually requesting from MDH, because we will have an equal cost share of money that we as the PWS are putting up. And then we hit save. And then that shows up here for us in this little table. We're going to do one more work item for sealing the well. And this time we'll try it from the sanitary survey. Water source. You know what? We'll say that was a well in a pit that we're going to seal. So we'll go with this. It's recommended the well in a pit be removed or closed. And we're going to seal a well to protect the aquifer. And it's not a continuation. Yes, we're sealing the well. In this case, I'm going to say I know the unique well number, which is of course not 52, but yes, this is also located in the DWISMA, which was moderate, and the DWISMA ID of 1. It's going to protect the aquifer from contamination by eliminating a conduit to the aquifer. Okay, and then estimated total cost of the work item. We'll say it's going to be $8,000. So then we'll request $4,000 for the cost share and hit save. And now you have 2 work items. And this would be a good point to save, because these applications don't automatically save. So we'll do that. And this This table here should be populating with the totals. They should be adding up for you. There they are. I had to hit save twice there. So the estimated total cost of the project, we're going to type that in even though it's already here as sort of a check, make sure our numbers are what we want them to be. We're asking for $13,000, but that's actually too much. So that's what the cost share would be, but we can only ask for 10,000 in this case. So we'll go 10,000, and then the cost share is going to be 10,000 in this case. And I'm going to use my own financial resources. So I click that, move it over, and then you can add the required documents such as a conflict of interest form, and you'll want some sort of information to corroborate that this is a known problem from your sanitarian or your planner, somebody like that, maybe well management, anything you have documenting that this is a good project and other people have looked at it and also endorse it as a good project will help your application be successful. If you have an itemized quote from contractors, that is also great. And then you just hit these plus signs to add the files. Then we'll save and close. And at this point, you can request collaboration, withdraw, or submit. I will submit. It's going to give me errors because I didn't fill everything out. But that is a quick look at how we go through the application for funding process. Thank you very much for watching.